Today we will show you how to install a pontoon boat cover. Before installing the cover, examine the pontoon for any sharp points that could puncture the cover. Cover these with an extra cloth or a foam pad if necessary. Locate the sewn-in ID tag that says front. This is the end of the cover to secure first. Stretch the rest of the cover toward the rear and over the sides of the pontoon, making sure it is centered and even on all sides. Locate and separate all of the tie-down straps or ropes. If your cover uses tie-down straps, separate them by length. Note that you can use the straps over the top of them or only on the perimeter hem. If your cover has belt loops sewn onto the outside surface, in the middle, thread the longest straps through those and secure the ends to the buckles. Next, use the shorter straps taking the loop on the end around the trailer frame and thread the other end through the loop and up to the female buckle. Thread the strap in through the buckle, leaving it loose for now. Starting at the front, tighten those straps securely. Tighten remaining straps by alternating sides of the pontoon evenly around the entire perimeter, keeping the cover centered over the top of the pontoon. For any low spots on the cover where water could pool, use a cover support system of pull if necessary for proper drainage.